to announce the murder arrest of Randall William Wagoner. He's a white male, 45, for the murder of Kathy Lorraine Johnson. She's a white female, 43. Back in December 1st, 2013, at 1:30 p.m., Jacksonville Fire Rescue Department responded to a fire at Graybeard's Bar, which is located in the 3300 block of Commonwealth Avenue. Police responded, and after the fire was extinguished, the victim was discovered deceased. A joint investigation was initiated between the state fire marshal and the homicide unit. The medical examiner declared the victim's death was caused by blunt force trauma prior to the fire. The suspect was identified as being the last one to be seen with the victim. The suspect was interviewed and admitted to being the last person with the victim, but denied causing her any harm or setting a fire. Homicide detectives were able to disprove the suspect's account through witness testimony and forensic evidence. The suspect was arrested yesterday in Bradford County and charged with 1 count of murder and 1 count of arson. And I'll answer any questions you might have about that.
Any kind of motive, Chief?
No, they had a, well, it was something where, I mean, they had known each other. They had a relationship with each other. She actually lived on top of the bar, I guess an apartment that was up on the upper part of the bar. The motive in this was basically he had agreed to purchase some drugs in exchange for sex, and we don't believe that actually took place.
Any other questions?
Was she a prostitute?
No, I mean, there's no evidence that I have to state that she was or anything at all.
How were you able to find him in Bradford?
I don't really, I'll have to get that answer for you. I don't know off the top of my head as far as how that came to be. If I'm not mistaken, I think his home address is in there according to the arrest and book report. Well, actually, I'm sorry. There was an arrest warrant that we had issued for him. According to the paperwork that I have down from Bradford County, I believe he lives in that jurisdiction. And the law enforcement down there actually found him and arrested him. So what will happen, he'll actually have to be extradited back up here. And
she only lived there for a couple of months. Was she from Bradford County also? I mean, she lived out there. Is that where they knew each other from? Do you know? Or
my understanding was they knew each other because he would go to Graybeard's. That's the information that I have.
Okay. And he
I don't know where. I mean, I know her address to be right there.
He was purportedly trading drugs for sex with her. That's what.
Yeah, that was the agreement that evening.
What kind of drugs?
I don't have that answer.
Any other questions on this one? All right.